continuation of the last video from a different place, but still amazing view, amazing, I would say, wind today. I don't know how many knots, but it's just, well, sometimes it's almost getting blown away, and maybe that's to get blown away means a lot of things. And with a wind like this, you almost get blown away, but in a different way than you normally talk about. Well, we are often blown away by many things, and I'm very much blown away by nature. To be near the sea again every day, as many times as possible. It's like, I don't know, a dream come true, and suddenly and certainly my inner Dane, which has always lived by the sea since I was a small kid, at least from I was about 6 years old. It is like, let's call it life balm for my body, life balm for my mind, my thinking, my everything, and that's just, I'm just so grateful to God and to my family and to Alice and Lavina and Sultan for supporting me in this. And I hope that next week we can send the first book to the finishing at the publisher, and hopefully to get it out by Christmas. I mean, that's a milestone that I have been looking forward to, and I'm really looking forward to see how that will work for us. I mean, not for us only, but with all the people that has been following this for the last many years. This is a culmination that the first book gets out during Christmas, and then I hope anyway, that the next books will be in March or maybe June. They are already written, but they have to be edited and looked through, and there has to be some marketing around it and all that stuff. And I look very much forward to see how that's going to work, and hope, of course, that it will be read by many people, and that they can feel calm with that and feel peace inside with that, and understand all the things that I have learned maybe the hard way to understand, but nevertheless it's huge learning. So yes, I am going to stop my video here, but just to not have it too long. So I'll see you soon again.